Welcome to Positive Affirmations for Health. Today we will be reprogramming our mind with affirmations for radiant health, self-care, and well-being. By using these affirmations, you will create new thought patterns and pathways in your brain. It's time to consciously choose the life of your dreams. Changing the way you think and dropping negative thought patterns moves you into a new reality. Listen to these affirmations every day for at least 30 days, preferably at night just before you fall asleep, or first thing in the morning. Many blessings to you for health and happiness. Let's begin. I take good care of myself. I nourish myself with wholesome food. I am healthy and happy. I am strong. I make wholesome food choices. Exercise is fun and enjoyable. I am nourished. I am thriving. I am improving my health on a daily basis. I am confident in my kitchen. I use positive affirmations on a daily basis. I am grateful for my body and all that it does for me. I breathe deeply. I love myself. I enjoy moving and exercising on a daily basis. I release all tension from my muscles. I focus on the good things in my life. I surround myself with people who appreciate me. I take time for self-care every day. I deserve to be healthy and happy. I treat myself with compassion. I am grateful for the air in my lungs. My body is strong. I have plenty of energy throughout the day. I sleep deeply at night. Choosing healthy food is fun for me. I enjoy trying new recipes that make me feel good. I nourish myself with wholesome food. I love and accept myself. I have the power to change. I am grateful for my body and all that it does for me. I prepare healthy meals with ease. Every cell in my body is providing me with vibrant health. I laugh and have fun on a daily basis. I am filled with vitality. I notice the good things in my life. I am loved. I have everything I need to be radiantly healthy. I. I respect and appreciate my body. I feel so good. A healthy lifestyle comes naturally to me. I am resilient. I give my body what it needs to thrive. Planning healthy meals is enjoyable. I'm getting healthier every day. I am strong. I am exactly where I was meant to be. I make great choices for myself. I am strong and capable. Balanced meals can be simple. Health and vitality are my birthright. I pay attention to all the good things in life. I am blessed with good health. I feel incredible when I eat well. My body is my ally. I am happy with who I am. Exercise is a natural part of my day. Today I am stronger. Good health comes easily to me. I give my body what it needs to thrive. I deserve to be happy. I am grateful for all that I have in my life. Strength and vitality come naturally to me. It's easy for me to eat well. Exercise helps me to be a happier person. I am confident and capable. Today I am stronger. I take rest days when I need them. I make self-care a priority in my life. I find it easy to prepare nourishing meals for myself. My body can trust me to take good care of it. I forgive myself and others. I am at peace with who I am. I am powerful. I'm grateful to nourish my body. Health and vitality are mine. My level of well-being is extraordinary. It is easy for me to eat well. Exercise helps me to sleep deeply. I have everything I need to accomplish my goals. I deserve to feel amazing. I am constantly growing and developing. I feel my best when I am active. I am grateful for wholesome food that nourishes my body. I am flexible. I am improving myself on a daily basis. My positive thoughts are creating a new reality for me. I am strong. I feel peaceful. I am exactly where I am meant to be. I love and respect my body. I feel amazing when I eat well. A healthy lifestyle comes naturally to me. I am happy and healthy. Exercise gives me energy. My life is overflowing with blessings. I give my body permission to change. I am fully confident in who I am. I feel good in my body. I am motivated. Self-care is fun. Good things are happening every day. My life is amazing. Repeat these affirmations every day to experience the positive changes in your well-being. I'm sending you wishes for health and happiness